Hello beautiful people, I hope you guys are doing good. In this video I will discuss about benefits of chia seeds. They have increased in popularity in recent years, due to the high nutritional value and skin-boosting benefits of chia seeds. Derived from the plant Salvia hispanica L, chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and some vitamins and minerals. The seeds can then be pressed to extract a nutritious oil known as chia seed oil. Chia seed oil is a versatile ingredient that is used as an effective anti-aging ingredient in the skincare industry, as well as an edible and delicious substitute in kitchens worldwide to olive oil. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants. Another area in which chia seeds shine is their high antioxidant content. These antioxidants protect the sensitive fats in the seeds from going rancid. Though the benefits of antioxidant supplements are debated, researchers agree that getting antioxidants from foods can have positive health effects. Most importantly, antioxidants fight the production of free radicals, which can damage cell molecules and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. Almost all the carbs in them are fiber. 1 ounce, 28 grams, of chia seeds has 12 grams of carbs. However, 11 of those grams are fiber, which your body doesn't digest. Fiber neither increases blood sugar nor requires the disposal of insulin. Its health effects are significantly different from those of digestible carbohydrates such as starch and sugar, although it belongs to the carbohydrate family. The digestible carb content is only 1 gram per ounce, 28 grams, which is very low. This makes chia a low-carb friendly food. Chia seeds are high in quality protein. Chia seeds contain a decent amount of protein. By weight, they're about 14% protein, which is very high compared to most plants. They also have a good balance of essential amino acids, so your body should be able to make use of their protein content. May help you lose weight. Many health experts believe that chia seeds can aid weight loss. Its soluble fiber absorbs large amounts of water and expands in your stomach, which should increase fullness and slow the absorption of food. Several studies have examined the soluble fiber glucomannan, which works in a similar way, showing that it can lead to weight loss. Chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids. Like flax seeds, chia seeds are very high in omega-3 fatty acids. In fact, chia seeds contain more omega-3s than salmon, gram for gram. However, it's important to keep in mind that the omega-3s in them are mostly ALA, alpha-linolenic acid, which is not as beneficial as you may think. ALA needs to be converted into the active forms eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, before your body can use it. Chia seeds may lower your risk of heart disease. Given that chia seeds are high in fiber, protein and omega-3s, they may reduce your risk of heart disease. Their benefits have been examined in several studies, but the results have been inconclusive. Chia seeds may reduce blood sugar levels. High fasting blood sugar levels are a typical symptom of untreated type 2 diabetes. Consistently high fasting blood sugar levels are associated with an increased risk of several chronic diseases, including heart disease. But temporary spikes in blood sugar levels after meals may also have adverse health effects when they're excessively high on a regular basis. They may reduce chronic inflammation. Inflammation is your body's normal response to infection or injury. Red and swollen skin is a typical example. Although inflammation helps your body heal and fight off bacteria, viruses and other infectious agents, it can sometimes cause harm. This mainly applies to chronic inflammation, which is associated with an increased risk of heart disease and cancer. May prevent premature skin aging. Chia seed oil, due to its high fatty acid content, is a common ingredient in skincare products. Alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, omega-6 and smaller quantities of other good fats, such as oleic acid and stearic acid, are especially rich in omega-3. Along with its topical application, a diet high in these fats is linked to a healthier skin membrane, protection against ultraviolet, UV, rays, and better skin hydration, which reduces the appearance of fine. May relieve dry skin. Healthy, hydrated skin has a rich layer of lipids, fat, to help seal in moisture. Yet, when this layer has been compromised or is low in fat, moisture can leave the skin and result in dryness. Chia seed oil is rich in ALA fatty acid omega-3 and linoleic acid fatty acid omega-6. These two healthy fats, especially in those with dry skin conditions such as atopic dermatitis and psoriasis, have been shown to help restore the moisture barrier of the skin. So this was the video. I hope you guys loved it. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health benefits.